Hey guys, welcome to Hardest Info channel. Today I have Samsung Galaxy Xcover 4S and I want to show you how to set mobile data limits on this device. Firstly, open Settings application by swipe up the screen and tap on Settings. In it first Connections and there data usage. Now we scroll down and choose Binding size and data warming. And there we can manage our data limits. First we can set when our size start, maybe first day of each month or day which you prefer. After you set it, we press confirm all by set. There by the switch we can turn on data warming and we can set it in custom number, maybe 8 gigabytes we set or megabytes, what you prefer. And there we can turn on data limits and in the same style we can set it, maybe we set 10 gigabytes. And that's all. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye.